Well, here it is. My new unit. Look how big this beast is. Yes, that's a lamb. My neighbor has a freaking lamb. But yeah, it's humongous. Humongous. Yeah. At least it's energy efficient, right? So that has to go up there. Yes, the lamb says bah. So a crane, I guess, is coming somewhere, and then they're gonna hoist this thing all the way up there, which is crazy. I always offer whoever's coming to work in this heat these packs and then a nice Fiji water because let's be honest, humanity, people don't think about these things. I'll probably give them a snack then too, like salty, sweet. Do that. Just be a nice person, you know? So the crane is here, which I've never experienced this in my entire life. But in Arizona, this is what you do. You get a crane and then you hoist it onto your roof. I don't know. It's just so weird to me, this whole experience. This is amazing. Fascinating to me. I don't know. Here it goes. Bye-bye dog hair and grossness and stuff. Literally, that should have lasted, from 2018, should have lasted 15 to 20 years, but because of those people's neglect, here it goes. Bye-bye. It's crazy though, right? And this guy, he's doing a good job. Smiley crane. Yeah. Here's my new one. So fresh and so clean. Let's keep it that way. And then up and over the roof. They have hooks on it, I see. That makes logical sense. And then it pops out over here. And swing it around. Here. Look how new it is compared to my old one.